What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a bit of review testing of this solar power bank right here. So it basically comes in this package, as you can see. So in the package we have a little handle right here, as you can see, that can use the pin on like your backpack or anything like that. We have a USB Type-C charger inside. Unboxing is very easy. Also in the pack we have the power bank right here, and it looks something like this. Feel a bit heavy, feel compact and big. Actually can't hold in my hand right here, as you can see. And yeah, it's looking really neat. So this part right here, you can see solar panel. Right here we have a power button which can use to turn it off, and right here you can see we have a flashlight. We have a little hook thing right here, that little strap, and right here is where we have our USB. As you can see right there, USB Type-C, USB to USB. So this can charge at least 2 devices at once, which is really great and feel very compact. Nothing too crazy going on right here. You can see an indication right there for the solar charging on each bar. So I can press it one time and you can see amount of bar which on it, as you can see. So we have at least 3 bar on it right now, and it feels very nice. This part right here feel a bit rubbery to the side. That means it drop resistant, shock proof, and also water resistant. And yeah, we're gonna test it right now and see how it actually works. Now this USB Type-C is for in, this goes to USB out. So if you have that newer type USB charger, it might not work with this right here. So you might have to use an USB, normal regular USB port for charging this thing right here. So I'm gonna test right now the charging capability of this right here. So I have my USB cable. As you can see, we have the regular USB, not the Type-C, but this part right here, the Type-C, which is fine because we're gonna transfer it out. So I'm gonna plug in this right now. Right, to get that click sound, then I'm going to plug it into my charging case right here, my case for my microphone. And you can see that this is charging. Now once it's charging, you can see that there's a light and right here which indicate the amount of bar, as you can see, and it is charging. So guys, this is the charging power bank right here. It's a little great power bank, and the reason why I bought this is because it has a 42,000 milliamp. That means that this can charge my phones, all my batteries, all my gadgets a lot of time, because there's a lot of juice inside this port right here, and it's something that is great. Now the watt charging on this, I think it is what, 12 volt out. I'm ranging from 5 to 12 volt out. So we can get a lot of wattage of charging out of this right here, and it's a great product and it's something that I will use and recommend.